Majority Republicans are looking to pass a half dozen bills this session cutting taxes in Montana, but the centerpiece is now two measures changing state income taxes. Here's how they would work. Starting next year, Senate Bill 159 would cut the top rate from 6.9% to 6.75% on all taxable income above $18,700. Then, starting as soon as 2023, Senate Bill 399 would cut that top rate to 6.5% on taxable income over $20,500 for a single person or $41,000 for a couple. And it would condense all other lower brackets into one, taxed at 4.7%. But that's not all it does. Senate Bill 399 also ties state income taxes to federal taxable income instead of gross income, which is a big change. And it eliminates 24 tax credits for items such as individual health insurance, green energy and conservation actions, and donations to colleges. State Senator Greg Hertz of Polson is the sponsor of both bills. He says the second bill is the overhaul the system needs to make it simpler and more fair.
We're taking 50,000 low-income people off the tax rolls, which a lot of people don't always mention. And there will be winners and losers. So everybody should pay their fair share of taxes. And that's what I believe this bill accomplishes.
Democrats are opposing the income tax cuts. Mike Kadis, the state revenue director under Democratic Governor Steve Bullock, notes that the overhaul still keeps a big deduction for capital gains income, which flows primarily to wealthy taxpayers. He also questions why state income taxes need to be cut at all.
If you're going to cut taxes, why are you giving so much benefit to the wealthiest income earners? Pretty simple story, and not one Republicans want to hear. But, and they're in the majority, so they don't have to hear it.
That's right. For Republicans have made it clear they consider cutting state income taxes a priority.
We have one of the highest tax rates in the region, and we need to get that rate down. And that's what these bills are intended to do over the next several years, to reduce our rate so we can be more competitive and attract new businesses to the state of Montana.
And income taxes aren't the only item on the tax cut menu this session. Republicans also plan to pass bills exempting more business equipment from property taxes, cutting property taxes that help pay for schools, and increasing a property tax credit for elderly homeowners. All told, we're looking at cuts totaling as much as $50 million a year or more. So how do we pay for this tax cut bonanza in the state budget? Part of the plan may be to use new tax revenue from marijuana sales to help offset it. At the Capitol, Mike Dennison, MTN News.